that old anger lose its hold. For rivers do not carry hate, and fields do not grow old. They only keep the footsteps of every soul that came, and whisper through the evening mist the forgotten soldier's name. So where the river met the sword, the waters still remain, still flowing past the battlefield, still washing over pain. And when the Irish wind arrives across that ancient shore, it sings not of who conquered, but of those